Galing! Sige, dali.
Okay, first of all, I honor you. Happy Mother's Day, Mami. First of all, thank you so much for the understanding. Even sa mga misunderstanding natin, you're so understand, medyo tawag nito, understanding ka sa akin, lalo na sa mga bata. Thank you so much for the love sa akin, sa mga bata, for the care. Even though may mga hiccups na niniyanan natin, still strong. We're still we're managing through the years. I know na we'll still be as strong as a rock. Thank you so much. I love you.
Answer! I love you too!